Food and sex play a very important role in life. So, would you rather have a partner who satisfies you with good sex and terrible in the kitchen, or someone who is bad in bed but feeds you well? Stereotypically, men are thought as to be more promiscuous than women and needier for sex. This could be due to evolution. Males have evolved to be sexually promiscuous, as they do not have any biological barrier preventing them passing their genes. Whereas women have limited eggs and have to wait until she is through with her pregnancy. It may be a result of society. Men were allowed to be more sexually open and express their sexual desires. Maybe both sexes desire lots of good sex, but society told women to be monogamous. It could be a neurological setting. A little while back, The Telegraph reported that men may be programmed to seek out sex more due to neurons that they have but women lack. In an ever-changing society, women are allowed to express their sexual needs as well as break free from the shackles forcing them to serve men. It is no denying that sex has the power to make you feel great inside and out, so the reason why it has been the prominent choice is evident. Sex is important for a good relationship, not just for intimacy, but as a stress reliever. There are plenty of other options for feeding yourself, but only really one for sex. There is a very close relationship between love, sex, and food. It's hard to feel romantic if you are starving. On the other hand, when you first meet someone and are completely infatuated, often you lose your sense of hunger. Our bodies produce a chemical stimulant, phenylethylamine, P, as well as norepinephrine. They make our bodies feel alert, alive, giddy, excited, and many of us lose our appetite. The human need for food and sex are basic, part of the foundation of our nature, which makes it sensible that they are so closely knit together. Food and sex are also physically connected in the limbic system of the brain, which controls emotional activity generally. They walk a similar emotional line and bring out similar types of reactions. They bring out dopamine, which is the hormone that signals cravings. Dopamine plays a huge part in humans. We have no higher desires than to eat and reproduce. Our bodies work in a lot of the same ways when we eat food and have sex. We use a variety of senses when consuming food. Taste is a huge one, but we also use our sense of sight, smell, and touch. That food and sex appeal to our deepest pleasure points, arousing, sustaining, and nourishing the most important parts of ourselves. They both provide pleasure or pain, if you are into that type of thing. The human need and desire for food and sex are both a basic need in the foundation of human nature. So, if you love eating food and having sex, you are actually completely normal. Being basic never felt and tasted so good. Sex begins with a sense of affection and desire. At least you hope so 99% of the time. You can say the same thing about enjoying a meal. When you are eating, it's a great time to unwind with your dining partner. Both acts build intimacy in a relaxed, pleasurable setting. Sex and eating may have behavioral and psychological relationships and have cortical regions in common. The concepts of food and sex are traditionally linked, and many expressions describe food and sex in terms of each other, such as a beauty to feast one's eyes on, and when the belly is full, the mind is among the mains. There is also the saying that people who like eating have a high sex drive, or, conversely, people who have little desire to eat have little desire for sex. Sex and eating are natural, instinctive means. Both life experiences and scientific research have indicated a link between sex and eating. Food is an important part of your everyday life and overall health. So, it may not surprise you that your diet can affect your sex life. Changing your eating habits and behaviors may not be a cure-all for sexual issues, but it's a good place to start. Fueling your body with the right kinds of food can help boost your mood and energy levels to support a healthy relationship and sex life. Stamina is important for a healthy sex life. Improving your cardiovascular health could help boost your stamina, since blood circulation plays a big role in sexual function. In theory, foods that improve your heart health could also improve your stamina during sex. It's unlikely that a single food will have a significant effect on your sexual function, but eating a healthy diet can certainly help you feel more energetic and positively impact your sex life.